everybody, who likes Cadillacs? I do. Also like Fords as well, but when it comes to an SUV, this is one of the ones I really like. It's a Cadillac. It's a mid-size Cadillac, very good looking one. It's gonna have very low miles. It's gonna have like 17,000 miles. Great looking, looks brand new. Let's turn around, let's take a look at this and tell me what you think. Check it out, 2017 XTS, 21,000 miles. Look at this. Ooh-wee. Very nice, very nice. It's gonna be black. Backup camera. It's a 3.6, which will give you better gas mileage. Look how immaculate this thing is. Has the big roof, that way you can work on your tan as you're taking your trips, because it is coming time for that. Bose premium sound, memory seats, heated and cooled seats. Beautiful, just absolutely beautiful. Look at the way that thing lights up like a Christmas tree. Bluetooth, all the good things that you want in love in a car. You have all these gadgets here to help you with your safe driving. Also a Bluetooth, lane departure, heated steering wheel. I mean, it has everything. What else would you want in an SUV? This is Ashley, the car guy here at Certified Used Cars. Come see me. It's a beautiful day. Let's make you a great deal on this and be happy when this is in your driveway. See y'all soon.